Hello students, myself Aman Thakur. Today in this video we'll discuss about the water pollution. Here is the contents of this video. In this video we will introduce you with the water pollution and what are the sources of water pollution, what are the effects of water pollution and how we can control the water pollution. So let's start this video. First of all, water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include, for example, lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Students, we already know that water is the major important resource on the planet. It is the essence of all life on earth. If you ever see a river or lake around your city, it would be evident to you that we are facing a very serious problem of water pollution. The second-third part of the earth's surface is covered by water. 76% of your body is made up of water. As you know, water is everywhere and all around. We have a fixed amount of water on earth. It just changes its states and goes through a cyclic order. Now, what are the sources of water pollution? Let's discuss about the sources of water pollution, from where the pollution of water caused. First is radioactive source, radioactive waste. Radioactive waste is a byproduct from nuclear reactors, fuel processing plants, hospitals and research facilities. Radioactive waste is also generated by decompressing and dismantling nuclear reactors and other nuclear facilities. Second one is eutrophication. Eutrophication is also the one of the cause of water pollution, as it is enrichment of water by nutrient salts that causes structural changes to the ecosystem, such as increasing production of algae and aquatic plants. Atmospheric decomposition. Atmospheric decomposition is the pollution of water caused by air pollution. Air pollution particles eventually fall back to earth. Air pollution can directly contaminate the surface of bodies of water and soil, as the presence of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide in air create acid rain. Then sewage and wastewater. Domestic households, industrial and agriculture practices produce wastewater that can cause pollution to many lakes and rivers. Then industrial waste. Industries are the major source of water pollution. As we know, wastewater from manufacturing or chemical processes in industries contributes to water pollution. Industrial waste contains chemical compounds and form toxic waste and organic pollutants. Oil pollution. In ocean, the source of water pollution is ships, as the oceans are polluted by oil on a daily basis from oil spills. Shipping. Oil spills cause a very localized problem but can be catastrophic to local marine wildlife such as fish, birds, and seawater. Effects of water pollution. Number 1. Diseases. In humans, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many distress effects on our health. It causes typhoid, cholera, hepatitis and various other diseases. Number 2. Destruction of ecosystems. Ecosystems are extremely dynamic and respond to even small changes in the environment. Water pollution can cause an entire ecosystem to collapse if left unchecked. Eutrophication. Chemicals in a water body encourage the growth of algae. These algae form a layer on the top of the pond or lake. Bacteria feeds on this algae and this decreases the amount of oxygen in the water body, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Effects of food chain. Disruption in food chains happens when toxins and pollutants in the water are consumed by aquatic animals, which are consumed by humans. Then control measures. How we can control the water pollution? Number 1. Conserve water is our first aim. Better treatment of sewage. Prevent groundwater contamination. Then reduce treated wastewater for drinking and irrigation. Reduce air pollution. And reduce non-point runoff. This is all about the water pollution, its effects, causes and control measures. Thank you students. Have a nice day.